Welcome to the guide on how to set home mode in the Panasonic Smart app. First, open the app and select your registered Panasonic refrigerator. Tap the menu icon in the upper left corner and choose Modes and Locations. To register your home, tap Home under the Locations tab. A map will appear. Find and select your home location on the map. Once selected, press Save and then confirm by tapping OK. Now you can enable Leaving Home Mode. Press Leaving Home Mode, then turn on. Confirm that your refrigerator is set to default settings, then click OK. When this mode is turned on, you'll get a notification whenever you leave home, allowing you to either enable or disable it depending on your needs. If you want it to work automatically, just turn on the auto mode. When it is activated, the app starts the energy-saving operation when you leave your home using EcoNavi, which intelligently adjusts to save electricity based on the situation. For more details on leaving home mode, feel free to check out the FAQs in the app. Happy cooling! Scan the QR code and stay connected with us.